channel. We are Restless Off-Road.
Welcome back, everyone. I'm Boris, this is Rojo, and as always behind the camera we have Michael.
So as you saw in our previous video, we bought the 4runner, the rolled over one, and we're gonna get started to work on it. We still haven't decided what we're gonna do with it. We don't know if we're gonna do the 4x4
Yeah.
rock crawler or the Baja style truck. But we are gonna start just tearing it apart, you know, taking things off just to maybe we see the vision better. But today's goal it is to take off the doors. We hope that we can remove most of the interior and maybe start cutting the roof or something.
Yeah.
Maybe. We're not sure if we can get to it. It's pretty late, but you think if we get to it?
I mean, if we get to it, we get to it. But we need light. So, I mean, unless Art might come down and he might have lights or whatever. I think Michael might have lights also. So we're not really sure.
Maybe we'll set up some lights and try to work through a little bit through the darkness, but we don't know yet.
Yeah. So, without saying any more, let's get to it.
So we got as far as we're gonna get today. We ran out of daylight, and also it was getting pretty loud, and I don't want to get my neighbors upset. But we did accomplish a pretty good amount of things. We removed the doors, which was like, it wasn't much, but
yeah, it was super easy.
yeah, well, we thought it was gonna take a little longer. It didn't take that long.
Yeah, it was like cake.
Then we took off all the carpet, all the interior actually, and we removed the windshield, which was like 80% removed already since it rolled over.
And extremely shattered.
Yeah, so we removed that, vacuumed everything, make sure it was kind of just clean enough for us to be in there and take everything apart.
I cut myself.
Boris cut himself. Also, we cut the roof and some of the back. We had time to cut some of the back also. But for now, that's about everything we're gonna do. Like I said, I don't want to get my neighbors mad, and it's getting pretty loud.
Yeah. And like we said, we don't really know what we're doing with this build yet. We're kind of leaning more towards the Baja build, but I don't know. Like, what do you guys think? You know, leave your comments below. Let us know what you guys think. Should we go 4x4 or should we go Baja? We're kind of leaning more towards the Baja because it's a little bit more inexpensive in the sense that we don't have to get a transfer case and a front axle and all that stuff. But I don't know. That's just my opinion.
I think it's more fun to go faster than it is to go slower. So
of course.
That could have a lot to play with this.
Yeah. It'll be, I've never been behind, so it'll be pretty sick to like just.
Hopefully land.
Hopefully land on all fours. Yes, and not like. So I don't know. Like we said, leave your comments below. Let us know what you think. Let us know what route you think we should take. But it's gonna be fun. You saw what we're doing, and maybe even just by watching the video, you might think like, oh, you know what? It'll be pretty cool this way. It'll be pretty cool that way. So drop those comments, and so that's all we got for you today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, like, and hit that notification bell. And also, our link to our Instagram will be in the description below. So totally check that out. Add us, and we're gonna also take pictures, and we kind of go on our Instagram and post things that we're doing before these videos even get uploaded. So you might be a little bit ahead of the game with what we're doing. And check us out. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Thank you.